Welcome to Air Conditioning Repair, Argay Terrace, Portland, Oregon. Right now, heating and cooling. Our address is 12725 Southwest Millikan Way, Suite 300A, Beaverton, Oregon 97005. If you're seeking trustworthy HVAC contractor in your area, you need to look to no one else than Right Now Heating and Cooling. We provide services for commercial and residential properties. We have over 25 years expertise in the HVAC business and are able to handle the most challenging HVAC problems. Our HVAC technicians and contractors are skilled in every aspect of the heating and cooling industry. They provide exceptional service, with exceptional results, great customer service, and affordable pricing. Our team is proud of keeping up to date with technologies and codes in order to keep your family and your home healthy. No matter how complicated or massive the task, we enjoy the work they do. This shows our top quality workmanship. From minor heating and cooling repair to massive central heating and cooling system installations, our HVAC contractors are able to help. Only factory-trained technicians employ factory-trained technicians. They're among the best and most reliable technicians in the business. Your job will be completed properly the first time. With Right Now Heating and Cooling, we expect to maintain our relationship long after your new equipment is installed or repaired. Our ongoing service is designed to keep your equipment operating at its peak efficiency, without interruptions or breakdowns. Our services include furnace repair, furnace installation, air conditioner repair, air conditioner installation, heat pump repair, heat pump installation, central heating repair, central heating installation, thermostat repair, thermostat installation, and various other services. Our approach has always been to offer the most competitive price with qualified HVAC technicians. We also back our work with a 100% workmanship guarantee. For any heating or cooling repair, or installation services for your home or office, our HVAC technicians are here to assist you. We have pricing options for every repair/expert guaranteed work. Emergency and weekend service as in warranties on every parts and labor. Visit our website, or call us at 503-300-6124.